Hi everyone, I wanted to do another quick demo for you of Hopin. This is specifically to show you how to share an iPad screen into a Hopin session room. So let's do that. So let me first start by sharing my screen. So I'm just going to share my entire desktop so we can see what's going on my computer. And here I am, I'm in a demo setup of our conference. I'm going to go to the session rooms and I'm going to enter one of these rooms. Let's say this is my session, so I come in here. And it's booting itself up. It's getting ready to ask me. So here I go. I'm going to share my audio and video. And of course, it's going to ask me which camera and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. So here I am. I'm live. I'm on video here in Hopin, but we still don't see my iPad. So a couple things to note here. First of all, we'll start off with, I have my iPad. Here it is. It's plugged in, tethered with my charging cable into my computer's USB port, so it's charging, so that's a good thing too. Then I know my iPad won't run out of charge during my presentation. And so I'm going to use the QuickTime Player, and for the QuickTime Player application, I'm going to say New Movie Recording. And typically by default, as you can see, it grabs onto your webcam. That's okay. We'll go right here next to the record button, and we're going to choose iPad Pro instead as the camera for QuickTime. So QuickTime now is showing my iPad. Here we are. Let's see real quick. Let's try showing you the notepad. So here's the notepad. And I'm going to just make this a little bit smaller, push it out of the way a little bit so I can see Hopin. Now, of course, you can see here in Hopin, nobody can see this because I'm doing this on my computer, but I haven't shared it yet. So if I go here to this share screen button, click on that, and it asks me what do I want to share, and I'm going to tell it, well, I want to share an application window. And the one I want is this one here that says movie recording. Now remember, I never actually hit record in QuickTime. I'm just using the QuickTime application because it can display my iPad in a window on my Mac, which then can be shared with Hopin as a application window. Any application can be selected, right? So I'm going to choose share on that. And now you can see here's the QuickTime window here, but then behind it in Hopin space, we've got the same thing. We've got that iPad window. The other thing you might want to remind your viewers is if they decide to, they can double click. So watch this, click, and I clicked on the iPad window, it gets bigger, right? So some of them may say, well, gee, your slides or whatever it is you're sharing is kind of small. You can say, don't forget, you can double click on that. It'll make that particular window bigger if they rather see your smiling face. We can click on that too. Anyway, but there we go. There's my iPad. I know it looks kind of boring. It's just in notepad view. But again, the nice thing about the notepad, for example, is I have an Apple Pencil. And so I can draw pictures, or I can write things. Hello world. Whatever I want to do there, or perhaps maybe I want to actually use Keynote here on my iPad because I've decided, you know what, it's going to be easier for me to play my slides from my iPad while I'm talking and not have yet another application running on my computer because I can just swipe forward here and go through my slides with my finger on my iPad sitting right down here on my desk while I'm seeing the entire screen here in front of me of Hopin, and I can see the chat window over here on the right hand side and so on and so forth. So it makes it a little bit easier for me to kind of manage my presentation because I can see what I'm sharing, I can see myself, I can see the chat window, I can see the moderation panel down on the bottom left, and at the same time I can just flick forward and I can advance my slides. So for those of you who love to use Keynote as your slide presentation mode, you can do that and see it's doing all of its slick little animations and things where it's doing it nice and smooth and easy, and it works quite well this way. So again, you don't have to do it this way. You can share slides in lots of other ways. I got another video on that one. But if you are someone who really likes Keynote and you'd rather use Keynote and you happen to have an iPad, or you could do this with your phone as well, you could tether it and share it. But moreover, if you have an application, maybe you're simply doing a workshop on how to use Keynote and you want them to be able to see the application, then you can do that. And so you can go into the edit mode and you can actually start editing your slides and so on and so forth and showing them how you did that, right? You can zoom into this and I can select things and move them around and whatever. So maybe there's something there that you're actually showing the application. So you've got a lot of freedom here to do that. But again, this just wanted to show you how to share an iPad screen into Hopin, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.